see what you fucking got. I know you got the fucking shit. Yeah! No, no, no. Guys, today is a beautiful day, bro. You know why it's a beautiful day? Look what we got right here. We got Surrons right here. What do you think it is? What do you think it is? It's a fucking Surron Megaride day, baby. The meetup spot is just right here, bro. We're pulling up. My bike is at 80%. Holy shit, there's about to be a shit ton of Surrons. See how many fucking people are here, man. Wait, we're dipping out already, bro. They're rolling out. Bike. Pump it up! There he is! Pump it up! Start forward, yeah! Take that shit! Hey, I've seen this boy everywhere. Guys, the amount of action that we're about to get in this video is gonna be insane, bro. Yo! You pull up to the Megaride on a pedal bike? Right, circle back is broken. Fuck, man! Hey, at least you popped out. I see it. Oh, fuck. The amount of people. Oh my lord. Holy shit. Start barred, bro. That shit clean as fuck, man. Chris, show me a wheelie, Chris. Yeah, yeah. That's right. Wow. Oh. No idea. There's just been so much shit on my mind. I completely forgot to charge my bike before coming, bro. Yeah, Mia. That's right. Hey, how old are you? I'm 13. You're 13? Yeah. And you got that much work on the Surron? That's crazy. Show me something. Oh, okay. Wow. Okay, okay. Yeah. I get you, I get you. I'm sorry if you guys are not gonna see me wheelie too much. There's unlimited people, bro. This is unlimited. Yo, this video is definitely gonna get demonetized. There is no way I'm making any money from this shit. That's right. That's right. At 75. I forgot to charge you. You'll be chilling, you'll be chilling. I should be chilling, huh? Burn out, burn out, burn out, burn out.
Hey, I'm like this close to doing end drag.
Oh yeah?
I got it down.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, let me see what you fucking got. I know you got some fucking shit. Remember me, bro? Yeah, that's right.
I'll make up the SD ride out. That one SD ride out.
I remember you, bro. Bro, my bike's at 75, man. I've never seen so many people. Hey, that's right. Woo! That's a clean-ass sticker kit right there. The amount of talent that is here, there's too much talent. Too much fucking talent. Where's your work at, bro? I know you got some.
I'm trying to get comfortable on the bike.
You say what? Hey, but bro, you can do it. Oh, it's your first one?
It's the first one. It's the prototype.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, it's all good, bro.
Yeah, I thought that was an Ultra V. What the fuck? Yo, he's on a sprint. That's a prototype sprint. That's right, boy. That's right, boy. Hey, take that turn. Take that turn. Take that turn. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Take that turn. Don't fucking drop it. Don't fucking drop it. Yeah. Yo, what company is trying to sponsor me for a battery right now? You can clearly see the situation that I'm in. Where's your work, bro? Where's your work, bro?
What's up?
Show me something.
I'm a flat surface.
Ah, okay, okay.
Can't do nothing uphill.
Hey, but you can do a wheelie though. Yeah. Right? Touch! Yeah! I like that! That's a clean ass Telaria, man.
Appreciate it, bro.
All white and shit. Bro, my bike's at 72%.
Bro, you're chilling, bro.
I should be, right? Hey, I appreciate you believing in me, man.
You're chilling, bro. Don't even worry about it.
No way that's a prototype, bro. Some meaty ass tires, bro. You go off-roading on that thing?
Bro, it's the first time it's out.
The first ever?
Yeah, we just built it.
Oh, wow. You guys did?
Yeah.
Damn, you part of the company and shit? That's right. Why is everybody's wheels down, bro? This is an experience right here, guys. You guys ever thought about going to a Megaride? You guys gotta go, bro. I wonder how many people are gonna crash today. E-Box! That's right. Oh, no, that's not a little boy. That's a young man.
Pop it up.
My bike's at 70, bro.
70.
What's yours at?
75.
Okay.
64.
What? Hopefully we make it, bro. I'm praying to the Lord. Damn, he got a chick on the back. That's right. I wish that was me right now, man. My girl on the back just chilling. Yo, pop a wheelie. Hell no. Hey, yo, you got wheelies on that little thing? No, come on, bro. You see all these people going crazy. It doesn't make you want to do a wheelie? Show me a wheelie with that Starline Co merch, bro.
With the merch, I'm the owner.
You're the owner? No, you're not.
I swear I am.
No, you're not.
Look.
Dead ass? Nah. Props to you, bro. You a young entrepreneur, bro. You're gonna be a millionaire by the time you're 18, bro.
I'm hoping.
You're gonna be rich. Now you're hoping it's 100%, bro. Show me a wheelie. Show me a fucking wheelie. Woo! What's up, bro?
Okay, bro.
I love that bike, man. I've seen you before in San Diego. Yeah. Yeah, you're from San Diego, aren't you?
Yeah.
That's right. I know you got some work today, bro, with that clean ass E-Ride.
Bro, there's so many people, so hard to wheelie.
Bro, you got that powder coat for a f***ing reason, man. Woo! Look at him go. Yo, what's your battery at?
3.
Oh, 3 bars?
Yeah.
Damn. You should be able to make it. You know what I'm saying? We're going pretty slow, so. Yeah. Hey. You're on YouTube, bro. You're on fucking YouTube, man. Let me see something for YouTube, man. Yeah. Man, you gotta put you in one way or something, bro.
Like 1,000 people out here?
I know, bro. Is it 1,000? I don't even know. It's probably 2,000 or something.
Imagine what like the actual Megaride's gonna be like.
Yo, when's the actual Megaride?
Sunday.
Sunday?
Yeah, Sunday.
Oh,
Are you not
shit.
gonna make that?
I'm not sure because I got work, but I might have to call out for this. I might have to, bro. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
I know, bro. I mean, there's the one last one in Miami, but let's be honest, no Cali motherfucker's gonna go there, bro.
The last one? Nah, bro, they do this every year, don't they?
This is the Miami one's the last one of the year.
Of the year.
Yeah.
Hey, we always got next year. Probably even more people next year.
That's 10,000 people.
Uh-huh.
Let me see some more.
Man, I wish.
Show me something.
I gotta show you something. I gotta show you something.
Who said you can't chop an e-bike?
Who said you can't chop an e-bike? Chop. Bring out, bring out. We at the fucking Surron Megaride right now, baby. No. Oh. You guys good? Yo, everybody good? Bro, you good, bro? Are you alright, man? Hey, bro, as long as you're riding, bro, we're fucking men out here. We're men, bro. We're fucking men. What happened?
I don't know, nigga, you're throwing my back and shit.
Fuck.
Bro, he took me down and shit.
We staying alive, baby. We staying alive. I'm riding until my bike hits 0. I don't give a fuck. We at the fucking Surron Megaride, baby. I never thought I would have seen one of these Megarides, but we made it happen. We pulled up here. I didn't even care if my bike was almost dead. I'm like, I'm pulling up, bro. Big Talaria. That thing is sick. Oh. I got my holy Surron is getting crowded. This is definitely the most lit ride out I've ever been to, bro. You're not outside right now. Where the fuck are you, bro? You just chilling in your house playing video games or something? Like, am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Yo, this is a fucking party for real. Nah. What up, homie?
Yeah, I saw that video, bro.
Which one? Oh, the one where you were in it? We got a circle wheelie pack. Oh, we got a pack.
Pussy on a platter, call it dining in. Make you smell the difference. Trust me, bitch. Purify yourself, take some vitamins.
Oh, he's over there getting shitty on a video marathon.
Hit that shit, hit that shit. Guys, I need you guys to check out my fucking homie Surron right here, bro. Holy shit, this thing is decked the fuck out. We got the titanium bolts and everything, man. Yo, bro, how much you think you spent on this shit, bro?
25, 30.
What? What the fuck? This is more than a start, bro. Why didn't you just get a start?
Batteries, bro.
I got a bunch of YouTube videos in the making. I got like 3 videos that I still gotta edit, but you know what I mean? I've just been really busy lately. As you guys can see, I've been off the channel, you know, but it's no big deal, bro. That's what happens to everybody. Just life comes around and it hits you, and then you gotta work around it because, bro, the end game, bro, the end goal, that's what you gotta get to at the end of the day, bro. You gotta always stay focused on your goal, bro. If you guys have something that you're trying to strive towards, trust me, you're gonna fucking make it happen. If you write down a list of all the steps that you gotta make in order to make it happen, it's gonna fucking happen, bro. Just look at me, bro. I fucking wanted to get 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel in like a couple months. What did I do? I surpassed that shit like crazy, bro. I got like 2,000, 3,000 followers, 4,000. If you think you can do something, man, you can do anything times 10, bro. You can do literally anything you want. I don't know, guys. I'm just like really thankful right now, bro. Like I'm out here in the city riding with a bunch of my fucking homies. It's just crazy that I'm in this position that I can do this stuff, man. Like take advantage of every single day, bro. Every single day is a new day, bro. It doesn't matter what the you did the day before, bro. You can change yourself. You can make yourself a new person. You can do anything you want to do, guys. I'm telling you. Yeah, no, hey, no, hey, baby. I didn't know you could do that. I didn't know you could do that. Yo, what happened to my boy's brakes, bro? That shit is smoking the fuck. This kid is something else. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This kid is something else. Whoa, whoa. The that he's on 16. He's got the swerve down and everything. Woo, woo. We got Talk up in the building going stupid. Gunner? What up, sexy boy? Oh, I need to hit a wheelie, man. I'm like a fiend on crack, bro. I need a fucking wheelie right now. Back up. Right back up. Right back. Oh! It's a nighttime. It's a nighttime ride, baby. We got the 2 little mini bikes. That's right. Bro, you're doing it all with that boot, too. 3 more weeks.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Yeah, my brakes. Oh, no, my display.
Bro.
Yo, get to the side.
Oh my God. My bike is cooked. My bike is unoperational.
Bro, you okay though?
Yeah.
That's all that matters, man. Fuck.
Yo, who did that?
Someone cut you off?
Yeah.
Your brake is gone?
It's gone. It doesn't turn on. It's unoperational.
Throttle gone too?
Nah, just the display. Ah. Oh, fuck. I'm cooked. Hey, y'all are good. Y'all can go, bro. Y'all are good.
Right home though?
Yeah, I'm gonna figure it out. Ah.
You're by yourself or what?
Yeah, I got someone to pick me up. Shit, bro, am I filming?
Yeah, it's red.
Oh my God, bro. Holy shit.
You good?
Yeah, I'm solid.
We got someone here too, yeah.
Nothing too crazy. We're still alive. We're riding. Look at my display. That shit cracked. Who needs it, right? Guys, I just ate shit so fucking bad, bro. Hey, but we're good, guys. I didn't know that you can still use your bike without a display. That shit is absolutely crazy, man. My brake is gone. I don't even know, bro. But we're still surviving. You guys know what happened? Oh my Lord. Holy shit. I got some scratches on my back, maybe on my shoulder too, but man, you guys saw me, bro. I was so fucking hyped the entire ride out. To be honest, I think that was just bound to happen, to be honest, because bro, I was just going crazy the entire ride. I was so hyped up. I had to do one wheelie, like 1 or 2 wheelies, and the one wheelie that I do, I f***ed up so bad. You guys saw the clip. Y'all rate that crash from 1 out of 10. Bro, I'm trying to make this gear to protect you and to protect all these riders out here, bro. I'm trying to make gear that every time you fall, you're not gonna get hurt, bro. Maybe you'll get a bruise, maybe you'll get a little bump, but the main scrapes that you get all over your arms, like this shit, I want to prevent all that shit, bro. Probably gonna end the video right here because I'm done. I'm crashed out. But that shit was a lit ass ride out. I hope you guys enjoyed this fucking video, bro. If you guys ever fucking crash on your bikes, bro, just get right back up. You're gonna learn from those mistakes. And yeah, bro, every crash, treat that as an experience to learn from that mistake and to become a better rider every single crash. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys later, bro. Peace.